Okay, so we have our mappings, but there's two things that we need to adjust before we actually run the import. One is that we need to add that public prefix to the image path as well as the folder that our images are in. And then we also need to explode the tags so that they're added as individual tags instead of importing the value of the column in our CSV file as a single tag. So let's tackle the easy one first. We've done this before. Let's add the public prefix and our directory to our image field as we import it. So let's go up to the breadcrumbs and click Feeds Importers. And now next to Import Blog Entries, let's click Tamper. I'll click Add Plugin under Image to Image. And the plugin to add is going to be our Rewrite plugin. For the description, I'll type Rewrite Image Path. And then let's click Available Replacement Patterns here. I'm going to copy image and paste it into the replacement pattern. We'll replace the capital I with the lowercase I, again because of the bug in feeds tamper right now. And we'll add public, :// and also the folder, which is going to be blog images, and then a slash. Okay, that should do it. Let's click Add. And now we need our second tampering, which is going to be exploding the tags field. So let's scroll down to our tags, and we're going to click Add Plugin underneath it. The plugin that we're going to add this time is going to be Explode. So the idea behind Explode is that sometimes when we import from a CSV file, we're importing several entries into a field. So some fields can have multiple values. We can have multiple images for an image field. We can have multiple text entries for a text entry field. In this case, we have multiple tags for our tag field. So we need to make sure that we can convert whatever the value is that we're pulling in from our CSV file into the set of individual values that are going to go into the field. In this case, it's like a mini CSV file. We're going to explode based on the commas that are inside of the field content. For the description, I'm going to put explode by commas. We're going to leave the string separator as the comma, and we don't need to set a limit because we can add unlimited tags to our blog entries. And I'll click Add.